Even an amateur astronomer would be able to tell you that the sun and the moon both appear to rise in the east and set in the west. So why does the path of a solar eclipse travel from west to east? The answer lies in the way that the moon orbits the Earth. If you were positioned in space above the Earth's North Pole, you would notice that the moon travels around the Earth counterclockwise. That is the same direction that the Earth is spinning, and the same direction that the Earth travels around the sun. However, the moon takes much longer to complete one orbit around the Earth, about 27 days, than it takes for the Earth to complete one rotation, only 24 hours. Although the moon is traveling much faster than the Earth is spinning, more than twice as fast, in fact, it has much farther to go. Because the Earth completes a rotation so much faster than the moon completes an orbit, the moon appears to travel from east to west across the sky, just like the sun and the stars. If the Earth were standing still, the moon would appear to rise in the west and set in the east, but very, very slowly. It would take the moon almost 14 days to cross the sky, then vanish for about 14 days before rising again. Let's illustrate why the moon appears to move from east to west with a familiar example. If you are on a train and pass by some people walking in the same direction, they appear to move backwards compared to you, even though they are traveling in the same direction you are. A solar eclipse is caused by an alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth that causes the shadow of the moon to fall on the Earth. To cause an eclipse, the moon must be in precisely the right position, but the moon is moving fast. It is traveling at a speed of over 2,200 miles or 3,600 kilometers per hour. The Earth is only about 7,900 miles or 12,000 kilometers wide, which is a distance the moon can cover in about 3 hours. Since the Earth is spinning at only 1,000 miles or 1,600 kilometers per hour, the moon's shadow will zip across the Earth before the Earth can spin very far. In other words, the moon only has to cross a tiny piece of the sky for its shadow to move all the way across the Earth, from west to east, the real direction the moon is always moving. I hope this helped you to understand more about the motion of the moon and the path of the eclipse. Goodbye till next time.